Welcome to the unboxing of topping A90. I ordered it from AliExpress. Came via Riyadh. Customs opened it for inspection. Don't know what to expect. XLR cable. Box itself. While opening, they scratched it. That's okay. High-res audio logo on this side. Yep, A90 black. Foam padding, user manual, power cord, 6.35 mm adapter, and the amp itself. Feels solid, heavy built. Nice. Switches are tactile. Volume knob feels good. Okay, let me go ahead and try it. Thank you for watching, and let's check out these XLR leads as well. Okay. So heavily built 1 meter XLR cables. Thank you for watching.